Good day, Hasaan. You're tuned into Blue Cards 97.5, where we bring you the news that matters. Blue sa sulod, pink sa gawas. Broadcasting live from USTP Hasaan. Tonight, we delve in the crucial topic of damage surveys, a process that becomes essential in the aftermath of disasters. Join us as we explore the meticulous procedure involves assessing damage, documenting the extent of loss, and ensuring regulatory compliance.
Kanang na-mark mo gikan nga may presentation.
Bye! Huwag mahihiyang magtanong kung may right made ba nito? May right made ba nito? Pag may kailangan gamot, huwag mahihiyang magtanong kung may right made ba nito? Dahil gusto namin na gumaling kayo. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Pakanan laban. And
now, we're back with our special report on damage survey. Let us hear from our field reporters who will shed light on the different aspects of this important process. Sheen?
Yes, Staff. The first step in a damage survey is to assess the situation. This involves a thorough evaluation of the affected area to determine the extent of damage. Surveyors must consider various factors involved.
Data collection is a vital part of the damage survey process. Surveyors gather information on the type of damage, the affected area's dimensions, and any relevant issues. This data is essential for accurate assessment and future planning.
Presentation.
Interviewing witnesses can provide valuable insights into the incident
Go Blue Cards.
by specking
Pink sa sulod, blue sa gawas.
with people who witnessed the event. Surveyors can gather first-hand accounts and collaborate information obtained from other sources.
Safety is paramount during damage surveys. Surveyors must prioritize their safety and the safety of others involved in the process. They should handle sensitive information with care.
Pagbibili ng gamot, dapat subok, dapat trusted,
Dapat may kalidad. Pagbibili ng gamot, dapat subok,
dapat trusted, dapat di kalidad. Unilab yan, Unilab yan. Trusted quality healthcare, Unilab yan.
Damage assessment. The next step is to engage with the relevant regulatory bodies. In the case of marine vessels, timely and accurate damage surveys are essential for efficient recovery and reconstruction efforts by providing detailed assessments and compliance.
Panyawan
herbal capsule.
Ako na si Juanita. Sukad nito Marco Panyawan herbal capsule na wala akong tuhod. Panyawan herbal capsule. Mapalit sa iyong suking butika. So unsa pa imong gihulat? Pag move on na kay dili jud ka kayang higugmaon sa taong imong gihigugma.
Following these procedures and complying with the regulatory requirements, vessels owners and operators can ensure the safety and environmental soundness of their operations. Thank you for joining us. We hope this report has provided value insights in the explicities of damage surveys and regulatory compliance. This is Blue Cards 97.5. Blue sa sulod, pink sa gawas.
Teng neng neng neng.
Abi ni mo pero blue dahil. Abi ni mo pero pink dahil.
Thank you, ma'am.